This is a twisty tie from a loaf of bread or a sack of bagels. That's what you need to fix a clogged pressure washer or lawnmower that won't start. Basically, where my thumb is, you want to go above that, strip that off to so you see bare wire, and I'll show you what to do next. Pressure washer lying on its back to recline during the procedure, and there's a little screw right there, and I just took it out with a socket, nothing to it. This is the screw right here. A little socket fits onto it. Then that little bowl there, if you gently tap it, it'll come off. And so that's what it looks like when the little bowl comes off. And so what I'm going to do is get my little twisty tie and put that little wire up in there as far as I can and move it around. If it'll part in there, it'll come out and it gets clogged, but we're going to see if that fixes it. Okay, we're about to get started, and one more comment about that little bowl right there. There's a little washer right there. So whenever you undo anything, make sure that you don't lose a washer. You want to put it back. And also, I got just one hand, so I'm going to try to prop up the camera and let's see if this starts it. So make sure you turn your fuel back to the on position. That's in line. They have a little picture there, but it's flat. You want to give it the choke, which is pretty far back, and switches on. So let's see what happens. Pull this back, put it on. It started. That's what I wanted to see. Thanks for watching.